welcome back to our channel. So today I am picking up our Mariano's click list. So I just made the phone call and told the girl that I was out here, so she's gonna bring it out and pop everything in the back. But I wanted to say when I get home I will share with you guys just a quick run through of like my meal planner, and then kind of how I coordinate my imperfect produce delivery that we get, and then my grocery pickup that I get as well, and how I kind of create my list off of those items. So I've been trying to not waste food, so that at the end of the week we're not throwing away a bunch of stuff. And then I'll go through the meal plan for this week, and we will meal prep together, and you guys just share with me your ideas or anything you want to see. I know I don't show my face very often, but we happen to have a soccer game today, so I did a little makeup, but I don't wear makeup very often, so I don't really put my face on camera a whole lot. And then I just wanted to quick tell you guys, on the channel you will soon start to see a few things from my photography studio, so if that's something that interests you, let me know about that down in the comments as well. I'm moving to a larger studio and the space needs a lot of work. So I will be sharing that, as well as trying to keep up with the meal prep, the lunch ideas, and the grocery hauls. So this video is going to be one giant video: imperfect produce delivery, Mariano's grocery haul, and meal prep for this week. Thanks so much. See you later. Hey guys, so I am videoing this for a second time because the first time it stopped due to a phone call. So I had some green onions there, and then these tricolor peppers I buy probably weekly because I use them a lot in my breakfast. And I grabbed some organic broccoli. So a lot of the items I buy are organic. That's just our family's preference, but you guys can definitely do what works best for you. I had some cilantro there, and then some Idell's sausage for some lunch prep. Organic chicken breasts are another thing I buy almost weekly just to have on hand. And then organic ground turkey is for some honey sriracha meatballs, uncured turkey bacon, and I think this was strip steak, I can't remember, skirt steak, for some dinner prep and some breakfast prep. Lots of eggs always. Tortillas also are a staple at our house. Kids make lots of after-school quesadillas. Restocking some canned goods, so I had some green beans there, as well as some pasta sauce, bananas, cauliflower, and the kids are having some pasta this week, so I had some bread there for their lunches, and then spinach I buy every week. Mariano's throws in 2 chocolate chip cookies, panko breadcrumbs for the meatballs I mentioned, limes for the skirt steak sheet pan fajitas I have planned, wheat crackers for Kaden, and then also that's the noodles we're using this week for kids' lunch. The sour cream was for the fajitas, as was the Mexican shredded cheese. Restocking my rolled oats that I like for breakfast. And I did grab some Texas toast for an already prepped meal that I have. A couple of drinks there, and then some milk. Coconut water for smoothies, and that is about it. Next up is my very long meal prep video for you. Thanks guys, bye.